Hello, good morning to all. I think, hope you are well. Okay, today we are going to discuss about our social science, political science part. Unlike the 8th standard, in this year, your political science textbook changed the name of democratic politics. Okay, here we discussing about the main chapters. You have mainly the 5 chapters. First chapter, what is democracy? Why democracy? This is the first chapter we are going to discuss about. Okay, what is democracy and why democracy? That is our first chapter. So in this chapter, we going to discuss about the basic idea of democracy. What is democracy? Okay, and before we discussing about the points, I give you some importance of different forms of government. We have different forms of government: military rule, monarchy, aristocracy, democracy. These are the different kinds of government. Military rule എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പട്ടാള ഭരണം, monarchy എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ രാജഭരണം, aristocracy എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു കൂട്ടം എലൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വെൽത്തി സെക്ഷൻസ് നടത്തുന്ന ഭരണം, democracy എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അത്. Okay, these forms of government, democracy is very important. Democracy is entirely different from other form of the government. Okay, let us discuss about the word democracy is derived from 2 Greek words. First one demos, second one kratos. Demos means people, kratos means government. So the democracy is the form of government elected by the people. That is the people's own government. That is the democracy. Okay, here we given a definition. Democracy is the form of government in which rulers are elected by the people. This definition we can slide it into a number of pieces. Form of government. What is the form of government? Among these form of government, democracy is a form of government. Okay, democracy is a form of government, monarchy is a form of government, aristocracy is a form of government, military rule is a form of government. Pakistan following military rule. Okay, but Saudi Arabia following monarchy, India following democracy. Different countries following different kinds of the government. Okay, here democracy is the form of government in which rulers are elected. First one, form of government. Democracy is the form of government. That means that we discuss. Next one, rulers. Who is rulers? Rulers is the democracy, the rulers elected by the people. Rulers are very important. We elected some representatives. For example, MPs, MLAs, Prime Minister, Chief Minister. These are rulers. These rulers elected by the people. The third one, election, or that means elected. In a democracy, election is very important. Election ഒരു ഡെമോക്രസിയിൽ വളരെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയ ഒരു കാര്യമാണ്. Election is a mechanism in which people elect their representatives. Sometimes they change them when they wished to do so. That we will discuss the third chapter. Okay, so the election. Next one, by the people. By the people means in a democracy, the rulers elected by the people. And these are the different parts of this definition. That means we can shortly we say that democracy is a form of government in which people elect their representatives or rulers by the people. Okay, democracy is the form of the government. The rulers are elected by the people. Okay, here we are discussing about in 1999 the Pakistan, our neighboring country. In 1999 Pakistan democratically elected government was, and it was overthrown by Pervez Musharraf. He was a soldier. He established a military autocracy. He established a legal framework order. Under his period, under his control, he fully dismissed democratically elected institutions and symbols, and he turned Pakistan into a military government. Okay. In this way, we say that he established a National Security Council and full election, national and state election fully controlled by. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പാകിസ്ഥാന്റെ കാര്യത്തിൽ നമുക്ക് പറയാം, പാകിസ്ഥാനിലെ ഒരു റൂളറാണ് പർവേസ് മുഷറഫ്. ആക്ച്വലി he was not a elected person. Parvez Musharraf is not an elected person. But in the case of India, our Prime Minister is an elected person. Okay, Parvez Musharraf is not an elected person. But in the rulers are very important in a democracy. Okay, so these are once again what is democracy, why democracy is the chapter. Different kinds of the government is there. Among these government, democracy is very important, entirely different form of the government in which democracy is derived from the two words. First one, demos and kratos. Demos means people, kratos means government. Okay, what is democracy? Democracy is the form of government in which rulers are elected by the people. What is form of government? Then rulers are very important in democracy. Election should be conducted in democracy. Then by the people. Pupils are very inevitable forms of the government in democracy. Okay, and these are the main important points, and you have it to. Okay, and we will discuss the next topic in the next class. Okay. Thank you.